The petitioner is an Indian citizen. He had married a Russian citizen woman. The fight between the parents are going on as usual, so far the custody is concerned. And kindly turn to page 55, the Honorable Supreme Court had passed an order. So for the right of visitation of the mother is concerned, this is important. It starts from page 49. Relevant portion is at page 55.
49 একটা order.
55, relevant order.
55
On oral mention.
What is the proceeding before the Supreme Court?
This is without proceedings, I mean, the habeas corpus petition.
Habeas corpus. All right, habeas corpus by the mother
Ah.
seeking the custody of the child. All right. Then
we are informed that a violent incident between the parties took place today in the morning, which is being inquired and investigated by the Barakhambara police station. However, the manner in which the petitioner responded to are alleged to have quarreled calls for immediate modification of our order in the following terms. The petitioner undertakes to shift to a PG accommodation taken by her on rent in Defence Colony. Respondent number 2 also undertake to shift to a private accommodation near Defence Colony within 1 week. While the parties will stay separately, the child shall remain in their joint custody. The child shall remain in exclusive custody of the petitioner wife from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thereafter, the respondent number 2 shall take the child to stay with him, and in the night also, the child shall continue to stay with him. Therefore, the right of visitation to the mother was for few hours, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Now, the petitioner has not had a passport, an Indian-born child, Indian passport. Now, the lady who is a Russian citizen very surreptitiously obtained the passport from Russia for showing her kid and claiming to be the mother in custody. In that view of the matter, the department has issued a notice at page 97, which is under challenge before this court. You may recall
what happened to the proceeding before the Supreme Court?
Still pending about the right of visitation and custody.
So this is page 55 is the last order that
last order which is not valid as on today.
No, page 49 একটা order আছে
last order to contact.
Page 49.
Not 55.
Not page 49.
Page 49. Can you turn to page 49?
49 say.
Yes, let us note page 49 also.
Mediation Center.
49 is the Supreme Court Mediation Center has sent an interim mediation report dated so-and-so. According to the said report, there is every possibility of settlement of the matrimonial dispute on the joint request made by learned counsel for the parties post on the matter under further heading of so-and-so. Nothing has happened. The earlier order of visitation is the valid order. Now, the mother, unfortunately, being a Russian citizen, wants to shift an Indian-born citizen, who is a kid now, obtaining a passport surreptitiously from Russia.
What is the age of the son?
4 years.
4 years.
4 years. All right.
Now, the passport authority, maybe by taking the ordinary course of procedure, wanted to revoke the passport, which he had obtained as I say, repeat Indian-born citizen, matter of right. He is India. Kindly come to page 97. That is the impugn now. You may recall that on the basis of the passport application number such and such of your minor son, an Indian passport bearing number with validity from 11th of March 2021 to 10th of March 26 was issued to him. Kindly note the date. 11th March 2021 is a prior point of time, and the Russian passport is subsequent thereto. Of late, it has come to the knowledge of this office from ministry that your minor son has obtained. First of all, minor son cannot obtain the passport. Russian passport bearing number such and such on 15 January 2024. So obviously, Russian passport is a subsequent one. And that too, the minor being an Indian born, his citizenship is going to be ultimately affected if this recall notice is sustained. But this is not a matter on which we want to fight. I would request personally, as a counsel to the Additional Solicitor General, to ask his department to take the rational view. How could an Indian-born citizen be?
And what does this line mean? Consequent upon acquisition of Russian nationality?
Subsequent passport by Russian mother has obtained it.
Yes.
Therefore, your earlier passport should be recalled.
And you become a Russian national?
Yes, ultimately that's so. I'm an Indian, there's no dispute to that. And particularly when the custody, technically joint custody by the right of visitation is only for 4 hours. My lord.
Passport Act.
Passport Act is there. Let's go now.
Passport Act?
Yes, we'll hand it over.
আমাদের বই ছিল কোথায় গেল? Passport Act দেখবেন তো?